Hi everyone, I got my Saga Mandolin Kit AM10 in the mail today. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's open up, see what we got here. It is pretty rough, but for 113 bucks, you know, what do you expect? This is the front, obviously, but I'll be able to sand that down and get that sparkling. There is one thing that kind of bothers me is the neck here. Looks, there's a couple of big dings in it, and somebody looks like they attempted to put some filler in there and did really a lousy job. So I'm gonna have to repair that, and then obviously the stain isn't gonna set real good on that. So I'm gonna have to have some dark stain and cover that up. I'm planning on doing the Sunburst anyway, so hopefully it'll turn out okay. I got a chip out right here, but I'm thinking the tuners will cover that up. It's rough, but what the heck, like I said, I'll be able to get that on a sparkle. The fretboard actually looks very nice. I'm very pleased with that. I got a couple other parts here. The tuners, they look pretty good, so happy with that. And we got the bridge here, adjustable bridge. That looks nice too. So kind of excited to get going on it. I'll send more pictures and more videos as I build this. This is the tail piece. Looks good. So got a lot of sanding to do and a lot of work, but it should be fun. So stay tuned. Hi everyone. I thought I would give you an update on my mandolin construction here. First thing I'd like to say is that I am far from an expert, so take it easy on me. This is my first mandolin. I do have a lot of experience making other wood items such as kayaks and well, I've built windsurfers and ukuleles. The list goes on and on. So anyway, what I'd like to start by saying is I strongly recommend buying this Bluegrass Mandolin Construction Manual. There's a lot in there that will help us rookies out. The biggest thing is it'll tell you the different thicknesses throughout the mandolin. And so what I've done is looked at that manual, and I've actually wrote on the inside the different thicknesses and where they should be. 0.120 and so on and so forth. So I got my micrometer in the mail today. Sure, I could have spent $300, even $700 on a micrometer. This one was 40 bucks. It's a long neck micrometer and it'll work fine for the back, but as you can see, it's not going to work for the top. It's just these points here are not long enough. So I've come up with a solution. If this was $1,000 mandolin, I probably wouldn't be going this route. So once again, take it easy on me. Bic pen, 1.5 inches, cut it off, keep the end on. And that just so happens to slip right on. So I can turn it on, can zero it out, test it, looks pretty good. And what I can do, I can't get all the way to the center, but I can get pretty far in, and for a rookie like me, I think it's going to work. Right there, it's 0.165. That has to be sanded down a little bit. Not too much though, it's pretty close. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know what I got going here. My $40 micrometer I think is going to work, and let's get sanding. Hello there. Another update. I did write to the company and told them about my damaged neck here, and talked to a guy named Tom. Thank you very much, Tom, if you're looking at this. He sent me a new one. It's way better than the other one, so looks good, looks good. This is a little darker here too. I like that. So the only catch is it doesn't fit as good as the other one, but we'll do a little sanding and get that to fit. So it's kind of tedious. I got a gap right there that I'm going to have to try to sand that down and get that to fit. So that is what I'm up to next. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got my new replacement neck glued in. It's looking really good. Only problem is the new replacement neck doesn't line up quite right. The dowel holes aren't at all close. This one actually fit pretty good, but it's damaged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to epoxy, fill these holes up with epoxy, and call it good.